Hello, Kelsey Taylor here. Today I'm going to be doing like a Pacific DVD review. I don't know, as of right now, I don't know what the title of this video is going to be. But you'll see in the title when I come up with it while uploading. I'm going to look at the DVD collection that is more like a Christmas holiday collection in a way, but it also has other specials on it. It's nothing to do with Christmas. Well, there's one Christmas special on there. And also I like to wish everybody a happy Independence Day. And maybe that makes sense. I reviewed the set on a summer holiday. I got this set like for Christmas when it first came out, but I never got around watching everything on the disc till now. Almost at least everything. Mainly on the 5 shorts. I'm going to review the Garfield Holiday Collection. And this set has a Garfield Christmas, Garfield's Thanksgiving, Garfield's Halloween Adventure, Garfield on the Town, and Garfield in Paradise. And this was like a Walmart exclusive. I'm pretty sure during the holiday season they still have this in Walmart. I could have sworn as well I've seen this at Sam's Club at the time when they still had DVDs. I'm guessing. And I had like watch everything on this DVD, like all the shorts, because I've never seen them before. I saw the Garfield Christmas special once on Netflix, and never saw it again until like a few times I watched it on this DVD. Basically, I'll give you the plots of both these shorts, or specials. They're not really shorts. Anyway, Garfield, John and Odie go to John's house, his family's home on the barn for the holidays, and the granny's there, which I usually like granny characters, like cool grannies like this one. She plays the piano. I thought she's a lot of fun. Garfield's Thanksgiving. John's like trying to set up Thanksgiving dinner, and his girlfriend, veterinarian Liz Wilson, is coming over, and it's kind of odd. I watched these days ago, and now I'm blanking on some of these, so I apologize. Halloween Adventure. Garfield and Odie go out trick or treating, and they run to this old house where it may be haunted by like spirits of ghosts, like ghost spirits. And those are mainly the 3 holiday specials. They included 2 on here as well. Garfield on Town. John takes Garfield to the vet, and then Garfield ends up falling out of the car. So he starts wandering around town, and then he runs to like a gang of street cats, and then to an old place where he used to live, like where he was born, and his family's there, especially his mother. There's this real touching moment where he meets his mother for the first time, and they're like reunited. It was very sweet. And Garfield in Paradise was kind of weird. Garfield, John, and Odie go to a hotel on vacation, like at this really raggedy, bad, like falling apart hotel kind of place. And they go to the beach, and it was just some sort about like running into a village where worships this car that has sacrificed itself in this volcano. It was like very out of the specials on here. This was like the most weirdest thing. I think I would say 2 favorites, because I think I like the Halloween special a lot. The Christmas one I liked a lot because this is one I watched the most. And Garfield on the Town I think was the best out of the regular, just 2 shorts. And there's been 2 Emmy award-winning shorts there, like the Halloween one and On the Town that won an Emmy. And I thought that was nice. And I didn't even watch the DVD extras. There's not that much on here, but the main one is the house that Garfield built, a visit with Jim Davis, you know, the creator Garfield of the Garfield comic strips. So yeah, if you like Garfield, like I said, I know it's weird reviewing something like this around in July, but I have to like review this now. So it's a set I had for years, and I've been interested in reviewing it. You know, like I should have reviewed one, but the thing is, it was given to me as a Christmas gift, so I included it first time in my favorite Christmas movies and holiday specials video I did a few years back. So like I've always liked Garfield. You know, like I believe those shorts came out around the same time as the Garfield and Friends shows on. I'm not sure, but if you're a fan of Garfield, this is definitely worth the set. Like even if you're not a fan, they're definitely worth looking at. Like, they're not anything that's special. Like, they're okay, good for kids. And if you're a Garfield fan, you really get a good kick out of them. And Garfield the cat is the one who steals the show in each special. So that's my review of the Garfield Holiday Collection. And also I like to make an announcement, which I forgot to mention in the first half here. Right, I have a list of like like list of video ideas I have here, and some of them I crossed out already, which means if I upload them on YouTube, then I can cross them out. But I still have many to do. There's others I did include on the list separately, like separate movie reviews and things like that. What I'm trying to say is that I'm gonna need, like, I need the requests to stop. Like, I'm not gonna, like, 100% stop requests altogether. Like, I'm not saying don't ask me requests anymore. I'm just gonna stop asking for requests for now. If I see any more requests coming in after this video is uploaded, I'll still do them, but they have to be put at the end of the list, like at the bottom. I've been trying to get so many video projects I want to get out as possible because my computer, like, it's fine now, but sometimes, like, it's been acting up lately. Like, I'm serious. Like, the day before, like, for the past few days, I've been plugging my computer out two times in a day because it kept freezing up. And I really like to get these video projects out. Like, a few of them may take longer to make, so so what I'm trying to say is just that give me some time to work on the projects. I would appreciate if you don't send any requests just for now. Like I said, I'm not going to stop people from sending me requests ever again. It's just I need a break from them. Just these video projects I need to focus on right now at this moment. So it's probably going to take me all throughout the summer. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I'll probably do an update on Twitter like once a week or something like that. To update you, like, what projects I already crossed out. It's, like, majority of them are requests. It's just that the more you send a request to me right now, the more the list grows and grows and grows. It's going to take me forever to finish off, and I'll never get to the projects I need to get done. So, yeah, just to say that as well. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time, and hope you understand. I have other projects coming up that I really like to get to. So, thank you for listening. Bye!